Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. Today I want to present about effective stress and lateral earth pressure for subject DCC 30093 Geotechnical Engineering. So my lecturer name is Inci Khairul Zamir bin Muhammad Nazimuddin. Before we go to our presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Abdul Qayyum Abdullah. I'm from class DKA3B and my number is 11 DKA19 F1031. So this is our topic we want to present for today. That is effective stress and lateral earth pressure. So let's go. Definition. So this is the definition for effective stress and lateral earth pressure. The first point of definition is fraction of the normal stress at a given dip in a soil mass is carried by water in the void space and fraction carried by the soil cyclotron at the point of contact of the soil participle. This is the second point for definition. That is pressure that soil extends in the horizontal direction. It is important because it affects the consolidation, behavior and strength of the soil, and because it's considered the design. So this is the three states lateral earth pressure. The first one is active earth pressure. For the active case, the wall move away from soil. The wall move from the straight position is go back. That is the active case. And the second one is passive earth pressure. That is passive case. Wall move into soil. That is from the straight position is go forward. That is the passive earth pressure. And the last one is at rest. At rest case is no movement. There is a straight wall, no movement back or forward. So this is the type of soil. I put 11 type of soil with the example picture for each soil, type of soil. So the first one is clay soil, the second one is sand soil, and the third one is silt soil, the fourth is peat soil, the fifth is chalk soil, and the sixth one is loam soil, the seventh is volcanic soil, and the eighth one is humus soil, the ninth one is limestone soil, and the 10th is laterite soil, and the last one is sedimental soil. Type of foundation work. So they have two type of foundation work. The first one is shallow foundation, and the second one is deep foundation. For the first type of foundation work, that is shallow foundation, they have 4 points. The first point is individual footing or isolated footing. The second one is combined footing, and the third one is strip foundation, and the last fourth is roof or mat foundation. For the second type, that is the deep foundation, they have 2 points. The first point is pile foundation, and the second one is drilled shaft or cast soils. So this is the different type of retaining wall. The type of retaining wall, they have 4 types. The first one is gravity wall. The second one is piling wall. The third one is cantilever wall, and the last one, the fourth, is anchored wall. So they have 4 types of retaining wall. Installation of anchored retaining wall. So they have an example picture for anchored retaining wall. Anchored retaining wall. This wall keeps itself from toppling by having cable driven into the soil or rock. Fixed by expanding anchor, can be combined with other type of wall. So there is the definition for anchor retaining wall. So this is the example picture for the anchor retaining wall. The first one is the cable in the retaining wall picture, and the second one is in the process of build, and the third one is the cable in the soil or rock, And the last one is complete anchor retain wall feature. So this is the collapse factor. There are four points for collapse factor. The first one is there is the flow of the water in the soil. So the second one is gravitational pull, the sedimental. The third one is no retain wall, and the last one, the fourth, is no tree. So this is the example of buildings that have collapsed. Function to build anchor retain wall. There are four points for function to build the anchor retain wall. The first one is avoid getting stuck. The second one is avoid turning around, and the third one is avoid crack and breaks. The last one, the fourth, is to keep the soil from collapsing. How to avoid landslide? The first one is make a water channel. The second one is make a wall. And the last one, the third, is planting tree or grass to avoid the landslide. Type of failure anchor retain wall. They have a 4 point. The first one is slippery movement. The second one is fall or return. The third one is bending. And the fourth one is effects of water on the wall stability. It's the dream.